Another fabulous 7-seater has just arrived. This is the Land Rover Discovery, the new generation, what you call the Panoramic SE in the D300 engine. And in my opinion, it's the best one to go for because the D300 is a 3-litre, 300 brake horsepower diesel engine, which is more than enough. It's quick enough, returns great miles per gallon. Now this particular one, being on a 72 registration with only 1,977 miles on, is just like new. Remained on the manufacturer's warranty in a beautiful metallic paint called the Eiger Grey. But then you have other features like the black styling pack. Now we're always talking about black styling pack because it works, it looks well. It's just aesthetic things like the black styling on the designation lettering here, the front grille, the inserts in the front bumper, the side vents here. Now this is a new model car, so it has a new design headlights with a lovely detailing, LED daytime running lights and the full LED headlights. You've then got colour-coded bumpers, 360 camera system, so has a camera in the front, cameras in the side, camera in the back. It is a big car, so the cameras really do aid and help you when you go to manoeuvre and parking. This being the Panoramic SE means that it's finished off very, very well. So the styling on it, all that colour coding, the black inserts, the arch kit in black, it just looks really well and finished off super smooth. You've also got some nice little inserts in the front splitter. This one then has the upgraded 21-inch alloy wheels, which is diamond cut, and the lovely Ferris grey on the inserts there. But again, it's in immaculate condition. There's no curb damage, no corrosion, nothing. This one also has the fixed side steps, black window surrounds, sun protection glass and comfort access. Now, comfort access really is a great feature because a lot of the times your keys will be in your bag or your pocket. So when you walk up to this car, it will unlock. And as you walk away, you don't need to get your keys out to lock it. You literally press that button there, it locks for you, and the wing mirrors fold in. As for the interior, you have the new design, the new short shift gear stick, the 11.4-inch Pivot Pro navigation, which is touchscreen, the full leather interior with perforated seats, and then again, the little things like the contrasting white stitching really do pop out and it looks really, really good. Twin cup holders, the twin panoramic glass roof, but this one does has an extra, and that's the front piece of glass, which is tilt and sliding back, which is not standard. Meridian sound system, lovely panel black sections there. And this is dead nice, it's crisp, it's easy to use. You've also got a little storage space hidden behind here, the climate control zone. The cup holders slide forward, creating more cubbyhole space down here as well. The twin glove box bottom and top. And again, it's got a great little texture to the front dash and also the door cards. Now remember, this is a 7-seater, so then everyone has to have a nice time in it. Comfort in mind, the rear seats are reclining, perforated seats, ISOFIX attachment, 3-point seat belts, and there is fully fitted rubber mat throughout the vehicle. Also, the previous customers very kindly left in there the Land Rover coat hangers, so if you do wear jackets, blazers, you can hang it on there. It's nice, neat, doesn't get creased. Round the back, you'll notice on the new model Discovery, they have changed a few things. First one is the lighting. They've removed the rear lights from the top to the bottom, LED indicators, and again, it's all colour-coded as well. Automatic tailgate, split tailgate as well, and you've got a big boot. Now remember, you don't have to use all 7 seats, and if you're not going to use all 7 seats, the boot is absolutely huge. But the seats are underneath, tucked away, literally they just lift out, as easy as that. Again, the previous customers very kindly left in this rear rubber mat to protect the back of the car. It is just a fabulous car. The Discoveries are very hard to get hold of. What I genuinely like about this particular one is the Eiger Grey and the fact that it's all black interior, because a lot of them have the two-tone interior. It's black and ivory in the middle. Nothing against that, but I think when it's all black, it just looks crisp, looks modern, and it's very easy to maintain. Push button start. You've then got the digital section in the middle there. Adaptive cruise control, which is a great feature. Paddle shift, voice control, everything's at your fingertips and it's very easy to use. You're sat nice and high up, you've got air suspension, and the media side of stuff is very easy to use, just like an iPad or an Android. It's just touchscreen, flick from one screen to another and go where you want to go. When you put it in reverse, the reversing camera system comes on automatically. There's a 360, so you can look at every single angle of the vehicle. No excuse whatsoever to curb any of the wheels or scratch the bumpers. The different drive terrains, as in different drive modes, press that, it comes up here, comfort program, grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, literally do what you want. Heated seats just over here, and you've got your climate control, front and rear heated windscreen. Stunning car, under manufacturer's warranty, with less than 2,000 miles on. The D300 Panoramic SE isn't going to hang around forever. My name and number is on that screen, so if you like what you see, give me a call. I'll be happy to work out the best deal for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.